Hello and welcome to today's session on screencasting. We are going to be talking about how to screencast using Screencast-O-Matic. I would like to mention that there's a bunch of different sources out there to screencast. I use Screencast-O-Matic. You get 15 minutes free. A lot of other teachers prefer to use Screencastify. Screencastify is a Chrome extension. It is also free, but I wanted to talk you through Screencast-O-Matic because it's the one that I am most comfortable with and I've enjoyed in the past. Feel free to use whichever tool you would like for screencasting. That is completely and entirely up to you. But this is a little awkward because I'm going to be talking to you about screencasting while I'm screencasting. So for those of you who are not aware, screencasting is a way to capture basically like what is on your computer screen as you're voicing over it. If you watch the Edpuzzle video, you can also embed these screencasts in an Edpuzzle. It's really nice for students that are absent, for students that need reteaching. It's a way that they can pull it up and you could be discussing content and have that visual right there for you. So it's basically grabbing and capturing the information that's on your screen and allows you to voice over. So basically what you would do is go to screencastomatic.com. You would click Launch Free Recorder. And I believe I have it set up right here so you can see. You will set, that's the other screen. Hold on one second. You will set basically, this is what will come up then. You get to set if you just want to record your screen, if you want to just record a webcam so you can just have yourself speaking, or you could do both. You could have yourself as a little box and then the rest of your screen. So there's all those different preferences that you can pick. Once you decide which one, a red line will come up at the bottom and it'll say record. You click record, it'll say 3, 2, 1. You start your recording. And then once you are done, you would click the pause button. And then I'm going to pull up the next screen that you would get. You will get this screen here basically asking you where you want to save it. So you may play it back. So you see here I did like a 2-second clip or whatever. I can click play and I can rehear myself and see what, if I'm happy with it, if I'm not. You can save it or upload it, or you can edit it. So you can blur things, you can add some text, cut it. With the free version, I'm not so sure you can do all of those features, but mainly what you can do then is save it and upload it. So you can save it. I usually save it to the YouTube channel. You could save it as a video file and then upload it to possibly Schoology or whatever course you have, LMS you use. But there's a bunch of different options that you can do with screencasting, and it is very beneficial to revisit information. Like I mentioned before, completely up to you which program you use, but I would definitely consider being versed in one of them. And also, as you start with your screencasting, I'd recommend like scripting out the first couple of screencasts that you do until you become comfortable with how you want to sound and how you want to lecture. It's a great tool for the flipped learning classroom. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But other than that, this is Screencasting 101, and it's fairly simple, but if you do have questions, feel free to reach out.